Hello students, here we are solving the question which is based on the topic of laws of motion. The question here is, a scooterist moving with a speed of 36 km per hour sees a child standing in the middle of the road. He applies the brakes and brings the scooter to rest in 5 seconds, just in the time to save the child. Calculate the average retarding force on the vehicle if the mass of the vehicle is 300 kg. So first we see what is given to us. Given is initial speed is 36 km per hour, which is equals to 36 into 5 by 18, that is equals to 10 meter per second. Final speed is 0 and time is equals to 5 seconds and mass of the vehicle is 300 kg. Now we see what formula to be used. Formula. Now we have to calculate retarding force. Force is equals to mass into acceleration. And to calculate acceleration, we use A is equals to V minus U upon T. V is final velocity, U is initial velocity and T is time. Now we see the solution of the question. First of all, we will calculate acceleration. V is 0 minus 10 upon 5. That comes out to be minus 2 meter per second square. Acceleration is negative because velocity is decreasing. Therefore, force is equals to mass into acceleration. That is equals to 300 multiplied by minus 2. That is equals to minus 600 Newton. Now what is the answer? The retarding. We are asked the retarding force. So the retarding force acting on the body is 600 Newton. Since the term retarding is there, so we will not use minus sign. So the retarding force is 600 Newton. That is all for this question. Do check out my other videos for more challenging problems.